my friends. I am your Sandeep sir and you are watching my YouTube channel MLT tutorial by Sandeep sir. So, congratulations all of you because 10th and 12th results already declared and I hope that all you have been successfully passed the exam. But think my friends, the life is so big and don't worry about that what education you want to gather in the next phase. So I am going to tell you about the medical laboratory technology. Medical laboratory technology, what is medical laboratory technology? But before come to this question, I want to explain you that why medical laboratory technology is today. Because all of you know that corona pandemic already engulfed our entire world. Not only corona, in last one decade you can see there was Nipah virus, Ebola virus, swine flu, corona and lot of diseases are there. So this medical field, that is the health industry, is the most emerging field in the world next in few years. So already there is a big vacuum created because our frontline workers are the doctors, nurses and the lab technicians. So their maximum state government already recruited lot of lab technicians. So in the market a huge vacuum is created for the vacancy of the lab technician. So hurry up my friends and go to this video so you can understand what is about the course, what is about the courses I want to explain you that is available in India and throughout the world also. So these courses you can do and you can earn a lot of money in the next. So you must subscribe me so that you can get my next video about why this course, that is medical lab technology. I am just suggesting you apart from the other paramedical courses, and then in the third video I will tell you that how much you can earn by this medical lab technology course. So before you enter into the course, you just see that there is I just make it a uniform compact board with all the informations gathered here. So not only I would like to explain my students in that manner only, all the chapters that I already uploaded 50 videos about that medical lab technology in the YouTube channel. So there you can also find that all the courses that may be 20 pages or 30 pages, I would like to make it framing the entire chapter or entire things, entire information, so our students can remember it so easily. So to ease you the things, I just explain you that medical laboratory technology is the entire world. Medical laboratory technology, in short form we are telling it medical lab technology, that is MLT. Now in different levels, MLT are studying as the certificate in medical lab technology, that is 1 to 2 years course. Diploma in medical lab technology, that is DMLT, that is also 2 years course. Bachelor degree, that is bachelor degree, there is 3 types of bachelor degree. One is BMLT, that means Bachelor in Medical Lab Technology, BSc, that means Bachelor of Science in Medical Lab Technology, and BVoc, that is Bachelor in Vocational Training in Medical Lab Technology. This course is 3 to 3.5 years because there are many state governments, they would like to offer you half year internship. So it can vary 3 to 3.5 years. Master degree is 2 years course. Master degree, there is 2 types of master degree, that is MSc, yani Master of Science in Medical Lab Technology. You can do some specialization there, that is microbiology. which deals with that like of virus, bacteria, and biochemistry, where we estimate different blood components like for jaundice we estimate bilirubin, for diabetes we estimate blood sugar, like that. These are comes in the chapter biochemistry. And there is another course, that is MMLT, Master in Medical Lab Technology. This is a 2 years course. And after that there is another course, PhD in Medical Lab Technology. PhD you can do with microbiology, biochemistry or hematology. That is of course 3 years course, and for that you must pass the master degree. So now comes to the course providers. Who are the course providers? One is the government promoted bodies. Some are the state-wise. So I just put a star here. You can put your state name. Jharkhand, Bihar, UP, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, whatever the state. That the state is here. So I put a star mark here. State Council for Technical Education, or State Medical Council, or State Paramedical Council, or State Allied Health Council, like that. They are also a body. And the third body is the universities, and university recognize some institutes. They are recognized mainly by the university itself and AICTE, that is All India Council for Technical Education, and the respective state council for technical education. Now, certificate course in medical laboratory technology is 1 to 2 years course. That is, the first body is the NIOS, that is National Institute of Open Schooling. They are offering 1 year certificate course. Whereas Skill India and Bharat Sevak Samaj, very old organization, government promoted bodies, they offer 2 years diploma or 1 year CM certificate course. For that purpose, you just have to pass 10th or 12th standard. Now, if you passed a certificate course, you can go to the DMLT course by lateral entry. Any lateral entry, there 1 year shall be minus from your entire course. So if you do 1 year CMLT and after that you want to do DMLT, for that CMLT you have to spare 1 year, and for DMLT again you have to spare 1 year. So you can directly do the DMLT for 2 years, or via CMLT you can go to the DMLT for 2 years. Now for the bachelor degree they demand that should be 12 pass. Who are offering bachelor degree? State Medical Council or Allied Health Council. These bodies offering bachelor degree, or these bodies offering diploma in medical lab technology, DMLT. So in the bachelor degree, if you want to do after DMLT, you want to do bachelor degree, there is also a provision of lateral entry, that is 1 year shall be minus from your entire course. That means 2 years for diploma and 2 years for bachelor. Here you have to spare 4 years instead of 2 plus 3, 5 years. You should have to spare only 4 years instead of 5 years. Now, master degree, university is providing bachelor degree, whereas the state councils are not providing master degrees. University is providing bachelor degrees, university is providing bachelor degrees, master degrees and PhD. So for the master degree, you have to spare 2 years. From bachelor degree, you can take a lateral entry by minusing 1 year from your entire course. But for master degree, you can't do that PhD by any lateral entry. For PhD, this 3 years is also insufficient. It may take up to 3 to 4 years. So I would like that you must understand this whole structure and put it in your copy, and you must show this video to your guardian who are much experienced about this manners, so they can understand and in the description, in the below description, I put a link there for this course structure. I have already uploaded one big video, that is 1 hour video. That link you may find in the description. And I just offering you, you go to any institute that permits your pocket, that permits your merit, you take a admission in medical lab technology, and in medical lab technology I promise you that I shall provide you the entire video lectures about the entire whole chapters. One by one chapter I will provide the video, and 10,000 MCQs within next coming 2 years I going to provide you 10,000 MCQs. So don't worry about that. Whatever your result, and you can find me in the Facebook, that is Lab Technologist Sandeep Upadhyay. Upadhyay does means that teacher. Upadhyay is not my surname. So I think this video is much help for you. You just subscribe the channel and like it and share as much as you like. So thank you for today.